This is episode 11. Our question today and what we are going to treat today is how did idol came to Africa and Igbo land? In Igbo language, idol is called
ARUSI.
How did it come? A lot of atrocities and evil began to happen in Igbo land. They began to disobey the laws given by Chukwuo Okike Abiyama, that is the God of Moses. And the elders went for a meeting to discuss on how to stop the evil so that people can begin to obey the laws of God Almighty. They now came up with a resolution to go and bring a sculpted beam from other nations into their land. They now said that sculpted beam they will bring will be known as
ARUSI,
which means
ARUSI. Aru
in Igbo language means evil.
Osi
means stop. So they brought that idol into Igbo land so as to stop the evil that started coming up in Igbo land. But the problem is, wherever that idol is to be kept, it always requests for fresh human blood to be able to begin to function well. That is the evil. And when they began to bring those idols into Igbo land in order to stop evil, the evil they thought that would stop escalated, because people now began to run to that idol requesting for help. And as a result of that, people began to worship that idol, thinking that idol came to rescue Igbo land. My brothers and sisters, I advise us to stay away from idol worshipping. The Bible said, if the foundation is faulty, what can the righteous do? Idol worshipping can destroy the Igbo race, destroy Igbo land, destroy Africa as a whole. I remain your friend.
Bob and Chukwu.